Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to catch unclosed parentheses, brackets, braces, and quotes. Another syntax error to be aware of is that all opening parentheses, brackets, curly braces, and quotes have a closing pair. Forgetting a piece tends to happen when you're editing existing code and inserting items with one of the pair types. Also, take care when nesting code blocks into other, such as adding a callback function as an argument to a method. One way to avoid this mistake is as soon as the opening character is typed immediately upon the closing match. So they're saying as soon as you create the opening one, create the closing one. Then move the cursor back between them to continue coding. Fortunately, most modern code editors generate the second half of the pair automatically. So we want to fix the two pair errors in the code. Interesting. So currently we're getting a syntax error. So we're getting an unexpected token. It says we're getting an unexpected comma, right? And so it's right here where we want to let the array equal to those 1, 2, 3. So in this example, it actually shows us where the error is. So my array. So if we were to add a closing array square bracket, then we get that. We've adjusted that one, but now our error code, our syntax error code, is letting us know that there's a problem here. And if I just extend this out so that we can see it more clearly. One thing I'd like to do is I'll add indentation to these things. And so now, because I know that there's this one's here, this guy, you'll see that it's highlighted here. Then we see that there's an error in that is the opening parenthesis, or what is this? The opening, yeah, whatever those are. And then so here, console log, and then here it says reference error, previous is not defined. Okay, interesting. Sum of array values is sum array. Sum array is equal to myArray.reduce, previous, previous, and current. So current, previous, previous. Okay, so this is a tricky one. This doesn't need to go here. What it needs to do is we need a parenthesis in here because we need to make our the two parameters being passed in need to be within here. Reduce is a function. This is the first time we've seen this format of the function, so this might be a bit tricky for you. But yeah, the idea is that you put the bracket, not the bracket. What are these things called? Whatever the these are, you want to put them in here, and this passes these two parameters in there. So we weren't defining previous earlier because this was all part of this bracket, and that's why we were getting the syntax errors. Anyways, if we run the test, I'm sure this will pass. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.